Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 5 top stories we are covering. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket Bell. SymfonyOnline June 2026. Git, but better. An introduction to Jujutsu JJ. SymfonyOnline June 2026 will feature a talk by Pauline Vos on Jujutsu JJ, a next-generation version control system that simplifies Git workflows without requiring team-wide tool changes. The conference takes place June 11-12, 2026, with pre-recorded talks and live Q&A sessions, preceded by hands-on workshops on June 9-10. SpaceX is about to IPO. History says a 55% stock drop could be coming next. SpaceX is preparing for an IPO with a dual-class share structure that grants Elon Musk significant control, raising concerns about governance and potential stock volatility. Historical data shows that major IPOs often experience sharp drawdowns, with an average peak-to-trough decline of 55 in the first year, and even successful companies like ARM fell 41 within 3 months. Despite strong Starlink growth driving a 15% revenue increase in Q1 2026, the company's space segment contracted due to fewer launches. The IPO could be one of the most significant in over a decade, but investors face risks tied to valuation, corporate structure, and market history. Cantor Fitzgerald raises MongoDB, MDB, price target on stable outlook and AI demand. Cantor Fitzgerald analyst Thomas Blakey raised the price target on MongoDB, NASDAQ, MDB, to $416 from $378, maintaining an overweight rating, citing stable forward outlooks and growing AI-related demand. BMO Capital also increased its price target to $360, noting MongoDB's strong positioning in the database market and long-term growth potential driven by AI workloads. The Real Python Podcast, Episode 295, Agentic Architecture, Why Files Aren't Always Enough. Mikiko Baisley from MongoDB discusses agentic architecture and the limitations of file-based agent workflows on the Real Python Podcast, Episode 295. The conversation explores why massive context windows collapse and examines the advantages of database-driven approaches over traditional file systems for AI agent development. Baisley shares insights on context engineering, workflow agents, and strategies for building more effective AI applications. The episode also covers data flows, human-in-the-loop systems, and resources for developers working with LLM agents. BofA resets MongoDB stock price target after earnings. Bank of America has revised its stock price target for MongoDB following the company's latest earnings report. The financial institution adjusted its valuation metrics after reviewing MongoDB's quarterly financial performance and market outlook. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed, and I will see you in the next update.